It's a bird. It's a plane. Wait, nope, yep, it's a plane. With the Burlington High School seniors finishing up their tenure a few months ago, we wanted to catch up with BCAT volunteer and recent Burlington High School graduate Dan Nguyen to ask him about his senior project. As a holder of a pilot's license, Dan wanted to make his senior project all about the environment and how it ties to the skies and the mechanical wonders that occupy them.
So, the senior project didn't really focus too much on me being a pilot itself. It was more just the fact that, I'm a pilot and this is a problem in the industry that I will be going into, so I kind of just wanted to, tackle that a little. And for the most part, the fact that it's something that I'm passionate about, aviation, and it's a real big problem.
With an important message in mind, we also wanted to know how Dan felt being a pilot and what led him down this path.
I don't really know. It's just been, kind of a thing I wanted to do. Maybe the traveling part, but not really. It's just kind of been every single time I've ever been on a plane trip, because I'm going to somewhere, for example, going on vacation, always is my favorite part of a trip. I always find it exciting for some reason.
With a documentary in hand and years of experience behind and in front of the camera, it seems clear that this pilot is ready for takeoff. This is Varys Connolly for BNEWS Weekly.